In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WooCommerce website in just 5 minutes. Backing up your WooCommerce website is an essential task for any online store owner. It ensures that your store's data is safe and can be restored in the event of a mishap. Whether it's a server failure, a malicious attack, or simply a mistyped command that wipes out important data, having a recent backup can save you from a lot of trouble. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can ensure your WooCommerce store is secure. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control panel where you manage all aspects of your WordPress site. If you're not sure how to access it, usually you can add /wp-admin to the end of your site's URL. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the WordPress dashboard, a space where you can create new posts, pages, and importantly for us today, manage plugins. Next, we'll be adding a new plugin to help us back up the website. To do this, find the plugin menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Hover over it and then click on Add New. This will take you to a page where you can search for new plugins to install on your website. In the search bar, type in All-in-One. This search is going to bring up a number of potential plugins, but the one we're interested in is called All-in-One WP Migration and Backup. This plugin is a popular choice among WordPress and WooCommerce users because it's both powerful and easy to use. It allows you to create complete backups of your site and store them safely, or migrate your site to a different server or domain name with minimal fuss. Once you've located All-in-One WP Migration and Backup in the search results, click on it. You'll be able to see more details about what the plugin offers, such as features, reviews, and more importantly, a button to install it. Click on Install Now to begin the installation process. This might take a few seconds. After the plugin is installed, it won't be activated by default. You'll need to do this manually by clicking on Activate once the install is complete. Activating the plugin is what allows it to start working with your site. Upon activation, you'll see a new menu option in your WordPress dashboard, typically labeled All-in-One WP Migration. This is where you'll control your backups and migrations. However, our focus today is on creating a backup, so you'll want to explore the options under this menu to start the backup process. This step-by-step guide is designed to make backing up your WooCommerce website straightforward and hassle-free. Remember, regular backups are crucial for the safety and security of your online store. It's recommended to create backups before making any major changes to your site, as well as on a regular routine basis. With these steps, you're not just protecting your online store, you're ensuring peace of mind knowing that your data is safe and can be quickly restored in case of any website issues. So take a few minutes today to back up your WooCommerce site. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time and trouble in the long run. And there you have it, a simple guide to backing up your WooCommerce website in 5 minutes. Remember, the time you invest now in creating a backup can save you countless hours in the future. Following these easy steps ensures that your website's data is secure and gives you one less thing to worry about as you run your online store. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.